Everybody, welcome back to the vlog. It is like 1:30. I filmed a grocery haul this morning. There's Gabby.
What's this?
Mommy's applesauce. Not yours. Anyway. Gavin's home from school. What are you doing? Gavin, what are you doing?
I'm gonna do bath.
Oh, you're gonna take a bath with me?
Yep.
You are?
Yep.
Well, with the flu going around and all the sickness, I kind of just felt yucky today, which I have the last few days because of having my tooth pulled and taking medicine and just kind of been yucky. So we are going to take hold on, I'll tell you. We're going to take, it's called a detox bath, and it is Epsom salts and some essential oils. So, there's the Epsom salts.
I'm sure.
Okay. And then I have thieves oil and lavender. No, Gavin, not yet. Mixed in the Epsom salts. And that kind of is almost like when you make roller balls. That acts like the carrier oil, I guess. It soaks in there into the salt, and then you put it in your bathtub. So we're gonna do that. And just kind of soak and hopefully not catch any of the sickness. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, everybody. So I wanted to show you guys this new app that I got. This video is not sponsored at all, but I learned about this new app this weekend, and I wanted to show you. It is called, let's see here, I'll show you what the actual app looks like. It's called, let's see if it'll focus. Focus. Maybe if I set my phone down. There you go. It's called Think Dirty. So, it is an app, hold on, where you can scan your household products or makeup or anything like that, really. Go ahead and get out, baby. Here's a towel. You can pull the plug out, yeah. Anyway, anything like that. Shampoos, conditioners, stuff like that. And it will give you like a rating, 0 being the best and 10 being the worst. So I wanted to do some of those and scan some of my products and just show you. I'm sure I have not done any of my products. I just got this. And so I'm sure I will be just as surprised as you guys are about some of these. So let's go ahead and start scanning. So when you open it up, it comes to a page like this. Click scan products. I'm going to start with my Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Radish Scent Dish Soap. So you just hold it over the barcode and then it scans. This is a let's see here. Okay, so the Think Dirty app, this is kind of scary, says that the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap is ranked at a 9. A 9, guys. 7 to 10 is considered dirty. 3 to 6 is half and half. And 0 to 2 is neutral. Kind of scares me. So, let's try some other Mrs. Meyer's products. Let's scan the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Lavender Hand Soap. Okay, hold on, baby. Go over there. Okay, so I just scanned the Mrs. Meyer's hand soap, and in the lavender scent, And this one just comes up as Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Liquid Hand Soap. I don't think it matters the scent, maybe. But this one ranked at a 6. So it's kind of in the half and half range. It's on the high end of the half and half range. But I am going to scan this Bath and Body Works Cucumber Melon Foaming Hand Soap just to kind of see where it compares. So let's see here. If it'll scan here. Okay. Oh. It says it doesn't. Let me see if there's another barcode. It says it doesn't come up. So, guess we're not going to do that. We will try the lotion. Now, this is the Mrs. Meyer's hand lotion, and it is in the lavender scent as well. So, let's go ahead and scan this bad boy. Lotion's not on there either. Interesting. Okay, let's see what else we got under here. Let's try the, no, that's not the one I want there it is. The Mrs. Meyer's Baking Soda Cream Cleaner. I love this cleaner. I use it like every day. So I'll be interested to see kind of what it ranks at. Oh my gosh! This ranks very low in the allergies and immunotoxins category, but developmental and reproductive toxicity and I don't even know how to say that word. Carcinogenicity? Something like that. The developmental and reproductive toxicity is high. And the other one is kind of in the middle. It ranks at a 9. I mean, seriously. I never would have thought that these products would be ranked so high. Let's try this one, because I love this one, too. Hold on. This Caldrea Tangelo Pomfron countertop spray. Let's see if it's on here. I think it's a very new app, so some things are on there, but not everything is on there. It's loading. What you want, Gabby Jo? Hey, it's loading still. What is taking this thing so long?
I jump. 1, 2, go.
1, 2, go.
Hey, Mama, them scissors.
Whoa. Honey, you just fell. That one didn't want to scan. I don't know why that didn't work. Okay. Let's try the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner. And this is in the radish scent.
It's Mommy. You missed, yes, wrote it and say
I don't know why this isn't wanting to work.
just say on it and see, okay?
Oh my gosh, y'all. That ranked as a 9 too. That is so crazy to me. Now, I'm going to look. Here you go.
Potatoes.
Don't spill them, please. I'm going to look a product up and just see if I can find it. I don't have the bottle. But let's see if I can find it. Don't want to look for that. Let's see. Let's try this again. I am going to look up the, I don't want that. Okay, so. Oh, I hope it's on here. Sorry, my nails are like ratchet right now because they are, I just took the polish off of it. So they look crazy. Why is this not working? Anyway, I'm looking up the Thieves Concentrate Cleaner that I just got from Young Living Oils. So I'm trying to see. I don't have the bottle to scan it because a girl and I split it. But I'm trying to just search it to see. There's a Thieves toothpaste, and it is ranked at a 1. So I'm guessing that the cleaner, let's see if it comes up. Yeah, Young Living. So I'm guessing that the cleaner is probably ranked really low too, because it's just the concentrate cleaner, the Thieves oil. I can't get it to come up. The only thing I can get to come up that's close to that would be that's in the same line is the Thieves toothpaste. So, interesting. Pretty interesting to figure out. I would do it to my makeup, but it would probably scare me to death. And makes me kind of glad that I don't wear makeup every day. So, anyway. We are just waiting for Easton to get home from school. And I have probably, I know I have a million things I need to do. Since I've kind of been down for the count the last 2 days. But I'm just going to relax because I'm still not feeling the greatest. So I'm going to actually go clean out my tooth. Well, I guess it's not really a tooth anymore. Just the hole where the tooth was. And get that all cleaned out. And then probably just kind of pick a few things up. And that's about it. Nothing too exciting going on today. Like I said, Easton should be home from school soon, and we're gonna wash hands and put more oil on. I know I sound crazy, like a crazy oil lady, but I have a friend that she put the Thieves oil, like the immunity roller, on her feet and her wrists every day before she went to school. And she's in preschool. She's in the 2-year-old class at her preschool. And she literally has been the only one in the class to not, the hand, foot, and mouth went around, and you guys know how contagious that is. She was the only one to not get it. So, they do work. It's crazy. I mean, and you do have to use the right ones. And, you know, just because you use them doesn't mean you're not ever going to get sick. You still will get sick. You still will have to go to the doctor. But if I can prevent the amount of times we get sick and the amount of times we have to go to the doctor, then I'm going to do it. Because nobody likes to be sick and nobody really likes to have sick kids. So, anyway. So, it is now 7:10. My husband is still at work. I'm about to pull my hair out. We are finishing homework because I have a boy that doesn't like to do his homework. And
I never like to.
he likes to wait till the last day. So, now we're going to change that. And when he gets home from school, he's going to have to do one of them before he does anything. Because I'm so tired of this arguing with him every last night of the month. So, I am letting Easton finish his homework, trying to clean up a little bit. And then I've got some vlogs to edit. I cannot wait till I get my vacuum in because I normally vacuum almost every day. So I feel like my house is a disaster because I can't vacuum anything. And you can only sweep so much. Not everything gets clean by sweeping it. I like to be able to run my vacuum over everything. So, I can't wait. I think that's supposed to be here Friday or Saturday. Sorry, I sound crazy. I have a big piece of glass in my mouth. But, anyway, I'm going to end the vlog here. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Also, if you're a new subscriber, welcome. Yeah, so I guess I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.